Hello everyone. In the previous video, we used the built-in LED of NodeMCU. Today we'll learn how to attach an LED using resistor with NodeMCU. So let's get started. Hardware that will be used to build this project: LED, 200 ohm resistor, and obviously NodeMCU. Now why do we need resistor? A resistor is used to limit the current through the LED or any other hardware and to prevent it burn. Means if the maximum capacity of LED is 5 volts and we give it a power supply of 10 volts, then the LED will burn. But if we use a resistor, it prevents extra flow of current. If the voltage source is equal to the voltage capacity of LED, then no resistor is required. In case of NodeMCU, we don't actually need a resistor to turn an LED on because NodeMCU supplies 3.3 volts current, which is bearable by an LED. Anyway, it is a good practice to use resistor. Now, there are two wires in an LED. The long one is a positive wire which gets the power supply from digital pins, and the short one is connected to the ground. Here are the connection. You need to connect resistor with the anode or the long wire as shown in the figure. Connect other end of LED to the ground pin of NodeMCU. Then connect the resistor with D1 pin of NodeMCU. You can use any GPIO pin from D0 to D8. For detailed explanation of NodeMCU, watch the video where I explained the NodeMCU. Now let us take a look at the code. Here I have declared a macro where LED is the variable and D1 is the value. In the pin mode, we will declare whether we will use D1 as input pin or output pin. Here D1 will send signals to light and LED, so it will act as an output pin. In the void loop, I have written the code which is almost same as the one shown in the previous video. But here LED, 1 turns the LED on and LED, 0 turns the LED off, as the LED is not connected using a NOT gate. Now make sure that you save the file. Now select the port and upload the code. I have already explained the purpose of pin mode and digital write in my previous videos, so please watch it before coming to this one. So now our code is uploaded and you can see that LED is glowing. Try to connect two LEDs to two different pins and make them work together. Make this yourself and let us know in the comment section. Thank you guys. We will be back with another video very soon. Till then, happy coding.